Hey y'all, Mr. Puwati here, and I'm going to be unboxing something pretty special. I've waited, well, as you can see, it wasn't shipped like that from Brown, but I've been waiting about a year and a half to play this the way it's meant to be played. That's right. And this box is massive. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so as you can see, there's a pack of Marlboro 100s. I don't smoke, but for comparison here, it's a pretty big box. Probably one of the biggest boxes I've seen for a collector's edition. So let me go ahead and start opening this up. Okay, so I'm back. I had to get the stickers off, which is located right there. And you definitely don't want to try to peel them off. You just want to cut them. Just for anybody else out there opening theirs up, slide this little beast thing off here. The little cover on it. Pretty snazzy. I don't know if you can see it very good or not, but pretty awesome. Pretty awesome sleeve. And then I haven't opened this yet. Again, it's just massive. There's my boy, Malog Ball. Pretty sick trophy. Nice and plastic. There you are. You haven't seen him yet. Here's the collector's edition container. It's a nice tin box. Picture that real quick. Then underneath of that big plastic guy there is the book hidden down in there. It's a pretty nice and thick book. Pretty awesome label. Got a nice, it's actually darker looking than what my camera's picking up. But it's got like a nice leather bound to it. So maybe that'll come out sometime later. Put it in my cabinet. Oh. And there's something in there. Must be the stand. Looks like the big dragon stand. Wouldn't even notice that. But the liner here is nice. It's got like a felt on the. This here has got like a felt lining to it. And the plastic Malog Ball. Probably pronouncing it wrong. But check out what's inside the case over here. So it's a nice heavy duty case, metal case. You got your disc, which that probably won't leave my PS4 for a while. Got a limited edition codes. You got the map, it looks like. Crown advertisement, we'll probably get more of that. And then, I guess the instructions. And that's like the inlay of the box. The case there. So, yeah, it's just Crown store advertisement. Looks like it's in French and American, so went for the double duty there. And the map, which I'll probably leave that intact, and then I'll just buy one off of eBay, get it laminated, put it on my Heroes wall, and there's an Imperial edition. So there you have it. This game won't be leaving my PlayStation 4 anytime soon. Like I said, I've been wanting to play this game for, well, honestly, I heard about it from Shoddycast, and he talked it up like it was going to be a WoW killer. I've only played on a computer, and I hate WASD. I think whoever invented that, I just hate it. So playing Elder Scrolls with a controller, can't wait to do it. Actually, we can't wait to do it. And yeah, I'm just totally geeked. So there's the Imperial Edition opening, box opening of mine, Mr. Puwadi here. And I'm about ready to throw the disc in and get my 15 gigabyte download on. So maybe see you guys around.